welcome to Sweet Tooth Heaven today. Honey, we about to dive in to just a good old rich, decadent, sweet, ooey gooey butter cake today. Y'all, this is one of the favorites my kids have just loved through the years. And my son said, Mama, you need to do a ooey gooey butter cake. So here we are today doing this. I have got all my little ingredients here. And now if you ain't scared of a little butter, a little good sweetness, honey, this is a good one for you. If you've never done this, this is great for anything really. I have taken this all over. Once again, church socials, you know, any kind of little party. This is a good go-to for you. So, y'all get your fork and napkin and your cardiologist phone number. We about to dive into this ooey gooey goodness. Alright y'all, I have got a lot of stuff going on here, but this is really simple and it's really not a lot of ingredients. I just got some clutter going on. But you want to start with preheating your oven to 350 degrees. She's back there doing her thing. And I've got a 9 by 13 casserole dish here. And so we got that ready to go. I have got a Duncan Hines yellow cake mix. Now you can use whatever kind of cake mix you like. I personally love lemon, but we're just going to do just the regular yellow cake today. And what you do is you're going to be making a crust on the bottom, and then we're going to make that ooey custard to put in the middle, y'all. This is a good one. So we're going to dump this cake mix here in there like so. Now, I have got 2 sticks of butter melted. 1 stick is going to go in the crust, and 1 stick is going to go into that custard. So, that's why I've got 2 different bowls, because I've got it measured out just so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and dump 1 of these. So, this is an entire stick of butter. Don't be scared, y'all. This is some good stuff. Good stuff. We want to get all that goodness out of there. Alright, so cake mix, 1 egg, and the butter. And that's going to be the bottom. Just going to crack this egg first before I throw it in there. Alright, we got this. Now, we'll give this a little whirl. We're just going to beat it like a rented mule. Alright, now this is the consistency that you want. It's going to resemble some cookie dough. That's what it feels like. We're just gonna put this right into my dish here. Let me scoot something over. Get it out the way, long. I didn't know if they can get through, did I, Russell? Got stuff everywhere. Long, Jesus. Alright. We'll put this in the middle so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, I'm just going to plop this down here. Now, I've got clean hands. I'm going to just mash this down. Just going to mash it down on the bottom. Spread it out. Feels like Play-Doh. That's what it feels like.
It don't taste like no Play-Doh.
It don't smell like no Play-Doh either. I smell that butter and that goodness.
Did you eat Play-Doh as a kid?
I did.
Yeah, I think everybody
It was
did.
very salty.
Yeah, what the best tasting thing.
You're like, ew, what is this? Yeah. I was like, I wonder why it gets the best of you like that. You just want to taste it.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Everybody want to taste that stuff.
I don't know. I remember Mama sending me over to my aunt's house to borrow some vanilla extract, some vanilla flavor. And it was across the road and 2 or 3 houses down. And the more I toted that vanilla, oh my goodness, it just smelled so good. So what I do, I sure did.
Oh Lord.
Oh, and oh Lord is right. It does not taste
like
as it smells. No, it did not. So I was like, okay, well there's a lesson learned. So kind of like the Play-Doh.
Yeah.
It's not a good idea. Don't do it. Alright, we got this mashed down in here. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. All right, y'all, now we gonna get that decadent custard made. I think I can get away with using the same bowl. I scraped it really clean, really clean. So we'll slide this back over here for now. Let me just get this out of the way. Get her on out the way. All right. All right, got my cream cheese open. Half the battle right there, right? We got that cream cheese ready to go. And I'm going to just cream this cream cheese up before I start adding the rest of my ingredients in here. So, give it a little whirl, give it a little beat down. Alright, got that in there. Now,
It's all in your beater, honey.
it is. It's just all up in there real nicely. You know what? I do need this back because I'm going to crack my eggs in it. I'm trying to mess up all these dishes. You don't want to wash them, do you?
Oh, I don't.
All right. 2 good old eggs. Now I'm going to give that another little whirl here. Get it mixed up. All right. Now we're going to go in with that other stick of melted butter. I'm going to get all this goodness off this spoon. Getting all that love. Getting those few pennies we paid for. Few cents worth. Alright, get this good old butter in here. I tell you, it's really simple. It's only just a few ingredients, but my goodness, it's good. Alright. Now we're going to mix 2 cups of just 10x powdered sugar in here. A little bit more sugar on that. And I'm going to add some vanilla flavoring, y'all, and that is it. That's all there is to this. Look at that goodness right there. Goodness gracious. I'm going to do a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Some of that good old Mexican vanilla we got there. Alright, another little whooping. Alright, y'all, you want to whip this until all of the lumps is gone. It's nice and creamy and smooth. We'll just set that right there. Now, we're just going to pour this right on this crust that we made with that cake mix. After I rearrange this again. Lordy. Alright, in she goes. It's really difficult to pour this out backwards. Isn't that funny?
Try to pour it for the camera.
Yeah, I'm doing this, and I can't see what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I cannot see what I'm doing, y'all. Let's just do it like I can see it. That works better for me. Just go smooth it out here. Get all that goodness spread out. And we're going to bake this at about 40 minutes. I know what my oven, you know, how it cooks. Yours might cook a little different. But I'm going to cook it at about 40 minutes. I will check it around 30 minutes just to make sure. And you do want it to be a little jiggly when it comes out, but because that's where the ooey gooey part comes from. But you'll know. Just like I said, I do mine exactly 40 minutes. Pull it out and just let it sit. This is good warm, y'all. But the next day after it is cold, that's my favorite. That is my favorite time to eat it. I have done this all kind of ways. Like I said, you can do whatever kind of cake mix you want. I love lemon, strawberry. We've done strawberry before, chocolate. So this is a good little recipe that you can change up. But it is versatile. It sure is. And I don't know why they call it cake, because it's more like bars, but Hey, it's good whatever it is. Whatever you want to call it, you can just call it.
Yeah.
All right, simple to throw together, y'all. That took like 10 minutes. And the 40 minutes, we're just gonna put it in the oven, set me a little timer, and we'll come back and get it. All right, y'all, that's what she looks like. And I'll let you know when it's done. All right, y'all, this is what it's looking like. Just come out of the oven. I almost just, out of habit, just sprinkled a little powdered sugar on, but I figured I'd show you. I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit through here. That little bit of powdered sugar just makes this look just like a little innocent dessert. But boy, when you get into this, so good, y'all. And I just sprayed it all over. But anyway, all right. Got a little sprinkle. Got a little more sprinkles in some places because I just accidentally dumped it everywhere.
It's all right. It'll be
Everywhere. It is going to be all right. It's
Yeah,
just going to
it's
be
just more
real
goodness.
good. Just more goodness, y'all. But I'm going to cut this up. Russell, you ready for just a little taste of this?
Oh, I can't wait.
Just a little. All right, y'all. Got the little sprinkle of powdered sugar on it. And come on, Russell. It's all it needs is a good old taste.
I'm
That's
ready
what
for
we
that. Hey, y'all.
need. You ready for it,
I'm
huh?
very ready for it.
Been smelling cooking. Been smelling on it.
I was surprised at how little goes into this.
Yeah, it really
Goodness.
is.
It ain't much. It
It's
really
not,
ain't.
y'all. It really isn't.
I have not been eating a whole lot of sweets, y'all, at all.
He's not. He's been doing really good.
So I'm going to enjoy this little bite I get.
Just a little bite, just a little taste. That's all we need.
Yeah. We're going to go in right now.
It's nice
Oh,
and
it's still
warm.
warm,
It is
y'all. Oh,
warm. It is warm. It's good either way, warm or cold.
Oh, my
It
goodness.
really is so good.
I think I prefer warm over
You
cold.
like warm, yeah, you like warm desserts.
I do. I like heating up stuff. I do. Yep.
Yeah.
Like warm, any kind of thing. Cinnamon rolls, all that. I'd rather have it warm. That's delicious.
It's
Very
good.
It's
It
very
is good.
Yes.
Going back for a
Going back for seconds, y'all.
going back for another little taste of it. No words.
I could eat the whole pan, the whole plate. I could sit down in one sitting and eat the whole plate.
It's good. It's easy to whip up and
Y'all, I'm glad we got company coming tomorrow to help with that, because that's got to go. That's got to be out the
it's
house.
got to be out of the house.
I'll be
It
into that every
does.
other hour.
It does.
He'd be talking to me. I'll be trying to do something. He'll be like, hey, hey, come here, come here.
A
Yeah.
little whisper, what's up?
Yeah.
It's good, y'all. And like I said, my favorite is the lemon. I do love a
Lemon would be good, yeah.
I've done those.
Yeah.
Lemon and strawberry, I've done all those things. But lemon is really my favorite. I've even mashed up a banana and put some nuts in it and had a banana nut one. Just what every little heart fancies.
Hard
Just
to beat
do it.
ooey gooey, y'all.
It is. And you want to take them out, though, when they still got just a little jiggle on them.
Yeah.
And so good.
Delicious.
So good, y'all.
Yeah.
Simple and easy. I hope
Can't
you
beat
try.
that. Can't beat that recipe.
No,
That's
this
easy.
is-
It's simple and delicious.
Yep, this
All
is an
over.
old recipe. I actually looked it up, and it said that the way this come about was in, I think, Missouri, and a baker messed up his ingredients and reversed what it was supposed to be, and this is what came out of it, and they just loved it. So way back in the day, way back in the day. So this is a very old recipe. It's not just something we've come up with.
No.
So
Way
yeah,
back.
way back when.
Yep.
So you may have ate these when you was little, and, you know, but
I think the first time I ever ate these was Pauline's.
yeah, it's always at her restaurant.
Yeah.
Paula Dina always has these. This is one of the choices for desserts always, but it is. It's and we used to eat something very similar back in the day, and we called them church bars. So
Okay.
anyway,
Church bars.
Church bars.
Okay.
Yep. So there's no telling what they've been called, but they are good.
They are good, y'all. For
Yeah.
real. Yep.
But ooey gooey goodness, y'all.
Yeah.
Sinfully delightful.
Yeah.
That's what it is. But
They got to go.
They gotta go. They're gonna get. They're gonna get. Even if I take them to work,
They gotta go.
They gotta go.
Yep.
So we'll behave ourselves somewhat. But anyway, y'all.
It's a lot easier to behave when it ain't there, y'all. You know?
It is.
You don't think about it when you ain't got it around. It's just, you know.
It's
I come by and that's sitting around. That's bad news there.
I'm gonna hide them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna hide them.
She gonna
They're gone.
Yep.
Sorry.
Yep.
Yep, hide them in the fridge somewhere. I've been on a nibbling on something. What you eating? What you got there? Nothing. Anyway, y'all. Hope you tried. If you do, let me know. Like I said, it's you've probably made them before, but if you've lost your recipe, then there it is.
And if you like the video at this point and you're not subscribed, how about go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It helps us out a ton if you do.
It does.
We saw some analytics on the videos, and well, how much was it?
80%.
Of the people that look at our videos aren't subscribed.
So there's a lot of people looking.
We would like for some of those people to. We're glad you enjoy them and watch them, but we would like for them to, you know, come on board and ride the train with us. So.
Not that we aren't thankful for what we got.
No, we're thankful for every single one.
We are.
I just like to mention we're not very good about promoting that, liking, subscribing, and all that. So
it's hard for me to do that anyway. It's hard for me to even tell people I have a channel. So it's difficult.
If you're not subscribed, we're thankful for every single one of y'all that are, and even if the ones that aren't subscribed watch, we appreciate that.
You just keep on watching.
It don't cost you nothing to subscribe though, and
just keep on
hit that
plugging
bell
on.
to let you know when the videos come out, and we'll keep on doing them for you.
Yes, we will. All right, y'all. Till next time.